Welcome to our channel. If you need to add a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your luggage is properly registered before your flight. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the American Airlines website or open the American Airlines mobile app on your device. Step 2. Log in to your AAdvantage account using your credentials or access your reservation using your confirmation code and last name. Step 3. Navigate to My Trips or Manage Reservations to view your upcoming flight details. Step 4. Select the flight for which you want to add checked baggage from your list of upcoming trips. Step 5. Look for the Add Bags or Baggage Options button and click on it to view available baggage services. Step 6. Select the number of checked bags you want to add and review the baggage fees associated with your selection. Step 7. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase of your checked bag allowance. This is typically cheaper than paying at the airport. Step 8. After completing the transaction, you'll receive a confirmation email with your updated baggage details. Save this for reference at the airport. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.